Okay, well, thank you so much to everybody for coming out today. And thank you to the organizers for organizing this wonderful event. So we're all here to demand single-payer Medicare for all, right? And there are speakers here who are much more adept at presenting statistics and policy arguments than I am. So I'd like to talk to you as a nurse. So I'm one of those NNU nurses. And we're not content to just patch up our patient and send him home, knowing that he likely doesn't have any insurance. And so he won't have access to the follow-up and the resources and the medications that he needs in order to heal and recover properly. So we're not content to just patch up our patient and send her home, knowing that she probably has a minimum wage job, she doesn't get any sick pay, and so she's not going to have access to the kind of food and nutrition that she needs to heal and recover properly. We're not content to just patch up our patient and send him home, knowing that he's possibly homeless and he doesn't have access to the kind of cleanliness and hygiene that he needs in order to heal and recover properly. But I got a confession for you. I confess that I can't talk about health care without talking about racist policing, about Black Lives Matter, about the school-to-prison pipeline. I can't talk about health care without talking about gender inequality, without the right-wing war on women, and without talking about rape culture. I confess, I can't talk about health care without talking about immigrant bashing, Islamophobia, xenophobia. I can't talk about health care without talking about income inequality, money in politics, massive student debt. I confess, I can't talk about health care without talking about homophobia and transphobia. I can't talk about health care without talking about climate change, about fracking, about air and water pollution, and about climate refugees. I confess, I can't talk about health care without talking about endless war, US and world imperialism, and wars of conquest for oil. So listen up, corporations, billionaires, one-percenters. Now you've gone and done it. Now you've made us really, really mad. So we're no longer content to ask for a share, to beg for crumbs. Now we want the whole thing. We want power. We want control of our lives. We want a world that's based on fairness and justice and dignity for everyone. Remember, when we fight, we win. Cuando luchamos, ganamos. Another world is possible, and we can do this. Venceremos. Thank you very much.